The login failed, please try again error on PayPal can be frustrating. This video explains why it happens and provides effective solutions to get you back into your account. We'll cover common causes, troubleshooting steps, and tips to prevent future issues. One of the most common reasons for login failures is simply entering the wrong username or password. This often happens due to small mistakes that are easy to overlook. Double-check for typos in your email or password. Even one wrong letter can prevent access. Ensure caps lock isn't on, which can cause case sensitivity errors in passwords. Verify that your autofill settings are correct, as incorrect saved information can lead to login issues. Even a minor mistake can trigger the login failed error. Always take a moment to review your credentials before trying again. In rare cases, the login failed error might be due to issues on PayPal's side. This could include server overload during peak times, scheduled maintenance periods, or regional restrictions affecting certain areas. To verify if this is the cause, visit PayPal's official status page to check for any known outages or service interruptions. Start by double-checking your login credentials. Ensure your email address and password are entered correctly, as simple typos or autofill errors can trigger the login failed message. Next, ensure cookies are enabled in your browser settings. PayPal requires cookies to manage your authentication sessions securely. Without enabled cookies, the login process cannot function properly, as cookies help maintain your secure connection with PayPal's servers. If you're having trouble with web-based logins, try the official PayPal app. Apps often bypass browser-specific issues and offer a more streamlined login experience, especially with biometric authentication. PayPal uses AI-driven systems to detect suspicious login patterns. This technology analyzes login behavior in real time, identifying unusual activity that might indicate fraud or hacking attempts. While this enhances security by reducing phishing attempts by 15% and preventing 90% of potential breaches, it can sometimes lead to false positives. False positives account for 25% of lockouts, temporarily blocking access for genuine users even when no real threat exists. This bar graph illustrates false positive rates in AI detection across different scenarios, showing how AI systems can sometimes flag legitimate activity as suspicious. If you suspect a false positive has locked your account, contact PayPal support immediately with your account details for assistance and resolution. PayPal's mobile app integrates biometric login as the default option for user authentication. This includes Face ID on iOS devices and fingerprint recognition on Android devices, providing seamless access. Biometric login reduces reliance on traditional passwords, which can be forgotten or compromised. According to recent updates, this approach has lowered login failure rates by up to 20% for app users. Enable biometric login in your PayPal app settings for a more secure and convenient experience. Phishing attacks are a common way scammers try to steal your PayPal credentials. These attempts create fake login pages that look almost identical to the real PayPal site. The key to avoiding phishing is to always verify the website URL. Legitimate PayPal pages use paypal.com in the address bar. Never trust sites with similar but misspelled URLs like paypal.com or paypalsecurity.com. Look for security indicators before entering any information. The real PayPal site uses HTTPS in the URL, shown with a padlock icon. This indicates an encrypted, secure connection. Fake sites often lack these indicators or use HTTP instead. Most importantly, never enter your PayPal username, password, or any personal information on websites that seem suspicious. If something feels off about the login page, stop and access PayPal directly through the official app or by typing paypal.com into your browser. PayPal is moving towards passwordless authentication, eliminating the need for traditional passwords. Instead, users can log in using biometrics like fingerprint or face recognition, or through one-time codes sent to your device. This approach uses simple, secure methods that are harder to forget or mistype. By removing password errors, these methods significantly reduce login failures. As a result, users experience fewer try-again messages. PayPal plans to expand passwordless options in the coming years. PayPal is increasingly integrating AI and machine learning for real-time risk assessment during logins. They partner with cybersecurity firms like CrowdStrike to enhance fraud detection capabilities. This advanced technology helps minimize false lockouts for legitimate users. However, it also raises important privacy concerns that users should consider. Be aware of PayPal's privacy policies to understand how your data is used in these systems. PayPal users are increasingly accessing the platform via mobile apps. This mobile first trend has grown from 65% in 2023 to 80% today. Apps provide more stable and secure login experiences. Biometric login reduces failure rates by 20% compared to web. Younger users experience 30% fewer login issues due to app familiarity. Consider switching to the app if you primarily use PayPal on mobile. Looking ahead, PayPal is moving towards zero trust models, a security framework where no access is automatically trusted. Instead, every login request is verified dynamically through multiple checks. This approach uses advanced AI to analyze user behavior, device information, and network context in real time. The result is significantly enhanced security that adapts to evolving threats, potentially reducing login failures by up to 50% by 2028, according to industry forecasts. While this transition promises smoother user experiences, it may introduce temporary challenges as new encryption methods are adopted. To stay ahead, regularly check PayPal's official updates and enable the latest security features on your account. Cybersecurity experts emphasize the need to balance security and usability in online payment systems. As security measures strengthen to protect against threats, they can sometimes create barriers for legitimate users. This balance is illustrated by the inverse relationship between security and usability. As one increases, the other typically decreases, creating challenges for platform designers. Cybersecurity analyst Brian Krebs notes that login errors are often necessary to combat fraud, but clearer guidance and user education on multi-factor authentication can help reduce frustration. TechCrunch contributor Natasha Lomas argues that biometrics will fix most login issues, but only if adopted widely by users and platforms. Gartner analysts predict that by 2027, most login failures will stem from user error rather than system flaws, urging fintech firms to simplify interfaces and provide better education. PayPal's internal data from 2025 reveals that between 2 and 5% of daily logins fail initially. However, 80% of these issues are resolved on the first retry. Globally, approximately 15 million users report encountering this login error each month. Resolution metrics show that 65% of login issues are fixed through self-help methods, such as password resets. AI chatbots handle 50% of all support queries, with an average resolution time under 10 minutes. Demographics also play a role in failure rates. Users aged 18 to 34 experience 30% fewer login failures, likely due to greater familiarity with mobile apps. In contrast, seniors face 40% more issues, often related to technological illiteracy. Utilizing self-help resources and AI chatbots can provide quick assistance for these login challenges. In conclusion, by understanding the common causes of the login failed error and following the troubleshooting steps we've covered, you can minimize login issues and keep your PayPal account secure. Remember to stay vigilant against phishing attempts and keep your account information up to date. To stay secure and avoid future login problems, follow these key practices. Use strong, unique passwords, enable two-factor authentication, verify URLs before logging in, and keep your devices updated. Here are visual guides to help you create strong passwords and understand the authentication process. Regular security practices protect your PayPal account and ensure smooth access to your payments. Stay informed and stay secure.